I'm Ian White. I'm 59. I'm married with 3 children. My wife Mandy is a great person because she not only looks after me, but she looks after other people as well. I was diagnosed with Parkinson's disease back in 2009. It's a sort of disease that you think that it's not going to kill you, but it will mess your life up a bit. Practically, I mean, work is very difficult to actually attain. You know, you're 59, you tell someone you've got Parkinson's, and all that rings in their bell is pound sign saying this guy's going to cost us a lot of money. We would have probably had to have sold the house, and somebody came and spoke to us during this and said, well, you'll have to live in your caravan. We didn't go down very well, but you know, that is, in the cold light of day, that possibly could have been the case. One evening we were sat in the lounge and had a phone call, and it was a guy, and he said, you know, he said, we're just catching up on people, letting them know what's going on, we're making a few changes. And I said, well, you know, I think I might fit into that category. And he said, oh, okay. So we looked at it, and he came back to me a couple of days later and said, do you know what? You're eligible. Once I signed the form, I sort of let go of it, and they sort of dealt with it. They dealt with all the paperwork, all the fact finding, speaking to the consultants, speaking to the medical teams, and I just had to sit back and wait for confirmation that the check come through. And it is very refreshing to actually be told, not I'm having to chase you or the company, they're coming to me and they're saying, look, Ian, we know what you've got. Obviously there's a lot of empathy, a lot of sincerity there, and it's great. And you know, I might sound as if I'm repeating myself, but the team really delivered. The call from TopQuote was like winning the lottery, but a big amount, because you know, we would have run out of money, and to have a company like TopQuote come in and support us and do all the job, you know, all the fact finding and you know, information sorting, tremendous. Yeah, once again, I can't reiterate enough how TopQuote has really delivered for us, my family, my wife, my kids. I would say to anybody out there that if they're looking to get insurance, don't leave it too late. Take it out now. I know that when you're 20s and when you're 30s, you know, other priorities come ahead, but believe me, if I hadn't have done it, I think we would have been sleeping on the dump heap. You know, we thought, nobody gives you a free lunch. But they gave more than a free lunch. They gave a free evening meal as well, because those guys were. It should be, you know, it should be recognised that they're probably one of the better insurance companies around.